Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to comprehend simple stories and poems read aloud in the class, articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express and offer a few basic social courtesies, demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in groups to recite poems, read and recite short poems or nursery rhymes with actions, articulate and use simple rhyming words in writing, recognize and use words that point to something like these, those, identify and recognize the rules for the use of a, an, and the, choose between a or an, identify a or an as articles, recognize that plural nouns do not take the article a or an, recognize and write rhyming words from a poem, write more rhyming words, write a few sentences to describe a picture and a series of pictures.